Welcome to another one of Cooke Co.'s unique listings situated in Montefiore Avenue in Ramsgate. Come inside and have a look. One of my favourite things about this property is the location. It's literally situated right on King George VI Park and also with the Italianate glass house and a short walk from Broadstairs and Ramsgate. As you can tell, the property is a little bit of a TARDIS. This is the open plan kitchen diner with front facing original windows. Why don't you have a look at the lounge and courtyard? Upstairs is located 2 double bedrooms and a family bathroom. Go and have a look. Cooke Co strongly urge you to arrange a viewing today to avoid any disappointment.